Bonding with my two other daughters. Yeah.
My mama's tummy is so big.
Lemon is just adopted. Yesterday you were gonna tell Lemon she's adopted.
Save the most little big bag.
Aray ko.
Totoo na to, nasa kotse ako. Kanina nasa tricycle lang ako. Where are we going?
Kasha pala no, kahit yung ano lang. Kasha pa isa naman.
Kuya. Yo. Hi, bebe. Ah. Ay, saan? Sa Presko.
Pasok tayo.
Yan. Al Fresco. Okay.
Binadala ko ng picture na lemon cucumber.
Okay.
Lemon cucumber.
Man. What do you call the mountain again? What do you call the mountain?
Maria Mountain.
Maria Mountain. Pero hindi yung Maria Mountain. What do you call that mountain? Bundok?
Bundok na Maria.
Makiling.
Maria, I call it Bundok na Maria.
Bundok ng Maria. No. It's Mount Makiling. Say Mount Makiling.
Mount Maria.
Mount You're so makulit.
Isip ko yung
Oh,
plastic.
oh. Ganda naman yung ambience dito. Grabe. Taga rito ako sa Kalamba, pero ngayon ko lang ito nakita. Para siyang lumang bahay. Diba na baby? Wow.
I think you
Meron din
might.
siyang alfresco.
I think you might break the chair.
O diba, para siyang old house.
Maybe it's supposed to be collapsed.
No, not old house. Not old house collapse. That's my daughter. That's my beautiful daughter.
That's my beautiful daughter. And how about you?
About you, you are also beautiful.
And how about you?
Wow, you got my beauty. I am no longer beautiful. It's okay. As long as my babies are beautiful, Mama will feel beautiful also.
And
You are with honors again. So what do you wish to have? I bought you na pala sour candy. Ay, what do you call that?
it's sour bells or sour bites.
Sour bites. And it tastes like gummy bear.
Hindi, it tastes like sour worm.
Yo. Why do you like it? It's sour.
Because sour is sour.
Oh.
Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao naman. You can tell their sense.
Tuwang-tuwa ang bata. Fries. Is that baby? Ay. Wow. Fries. Wow, fish and fries. Ah, is that fish and fries?
Kumain ba ito ng lunch kanina?
Hindi.
Pati ka nag-lunch siya kasi kumain siya ko lunch niya.
This is
The chicken
chicken
soup.
and fries. Ah,
What if it's the chicken soup?
am I correct?
What?
What's the rating?
Ang 25 ba ng Palestina?
Chicken and 10.
Wow.
That was gonna be mine.
Pinindot na. Yummy! Sugar! Pues matakaw. Who is maganda? Who is your favorite sister? Wala masabi. Playing safe.
Leslie.
Hindi.
Oo, ang gata yung Leslie.
Leslyn daw, Leslie.
You will just ano.
Why is Leslie
Oo,
a
kamit
sister?
ka na lang.
Yeah. Wow. Whoa, what's that, baby? Your mango?
Smoothie.
Wow.
You did not just see me lick it.
Oh, you hold it.
Abracadabra.
Why are you standing up? You? Oh, taste like mango.
Nag-bench body na naman si Kira.
Lemon. Here. Come here. There.
Baliw.
You're baliw. Pose.
Ano baliw?
Hey, the food is there na.
I ate one of the apple slices.
You ate already?
I ate one of the apple slices.
Ito yung kusino ba?
Yummy. Now taste this, baby. Gagabay.
It's like holy. It's garlic.
You want this one?
No?
It's salmon. That's how it is cooked.
Why does it? Oh my god.
Those are herbs.
That's about to smell bad after this.
We exchanged because she
And
doesn't
we
like
are gonna, and I am gonna.
Yeah.
It's like, it's kind of like a pancake. It's like
Color red. Pauwi na kami.
Ano na lang? Okay.
NKD. Oh, nakakotse ulit kami. Say mo. Bago naman ako.